friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is day 13 of our 13 Days of Halloween series here at Polly's Paper Studio. And in honor of this special occasion, I'm bringing back Mr. Googly Eyes, who seems to have a bit of a fan following, so I thought for this special occasion, he would make another appearance. So if you're just getting started, you can find links for the first 12 days at the top of the description so you can get caught up. Now, because this is the last video in the series, I do want to take a minute and thank everyone who has joined me for all of my inspiration tutorial videos. I could not do this without you. It is a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie. And this year has been especially challenging because there has been more struggles to get supplies. As everyone knows, it's just not the same this year, so has been a little bit more work to bring in the supplies I need to make these projects. And then, of course, I did cut my thumb very badly on my new paper cutter, so I've had to work with my Band-Aid on for most of this series, and that has been a little bit of an extra challenge, but I will say it is all worth it. Every minute of it is for you guys. I live for the positive feedback, the comments, the thumbs up. Everyone who reached out to me with well wishes when I was hurt or with such kind comments really makes all of it why I do a series. I love each and every one of you, and I want to thank all of you for supporting my channel through these series. I also want to take a second to thank the behind the scenes crew here. I would not be able to do this without the tech hubby, who does offer a lot of support through the computer, through all the things that I need to do for getting these videos out. Also Army Son, who will occasionally go to the post office for me when I am running late because I'm editing. So it's a team effort here, and I appreciate everyone who has helped me produce this series. I know you all were expecting a tutorial. I generally do a tutorial every day, but I thought it would be fun this year to change things up a little. Instead of having a tutorial and a giveaway, I thought it would be different to give away some supplies. I hope I have inspired you all to do some holiday crafting, maybe even try something new. So I've gathered up a lot of the fun supplies that I've been using this year. Is it weird that my hands aren't here? I don't know. Does that help? No? All of the different elements into sort of a kit, and then we're going to give that away. So let me show you what I've gathered first. There are 20 sheets of pattern paper here. These are all the holiday patterns. I have 2 large graphic 45 tags. There are 5 yard portions of holiday themed grosgrain ribbon. This bag has another yard of satin ribbon that's printed, a yard of twine, some tinsel, there's clips, there's buttons, there are wooden clothespins. I've got some handmade flowers and doilies here. I'm not sure how well that shows up on screen, but I have a selection of the netting I've been using. I didn't get to this one in the series with the spider webs on it, but I'm gonna make an effort to get something done before the holiday. There are some large dimensional chipboard pieces here, a whole little bag of googly eyes in honor of Mr. Googly Eyes here, some spiders. There are printed tiny bags, which are cool to put tags in. There are charms here, all the holiday charms, quite a few journal cards here that you can use for your focal images or your tip-ins. And then this guy here, I'm gonna name him Carl, and so I'm going to add him in just in case you're doing a 3D project. So this is all the paper pretties I'm going to include in this prize. So how do you get entered into this prize drawing? That is very easy. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, and then you do have to comment on all of the videos in the series. So I will also ask a question in this video, and that will be your comment down below. I'm going to ask, what is your favorite Halloween candy? And so that is the question I'm asking. You can enter that in the comment below, and that will enter your name for a chance to win. So today is the 6th, and then I'll leave the comment open until the 10th. At that point, we'll close comments, and then on the 13th, we'll have a special video update. I hope to get Tech Hubby or Army Son down here to help me draw a name for the prize. I want to get this out quickly so that you will have time to work with your prize for the holiday. So that is all you need to do. Make your comments and be a subscriber, and that will enter you for a chance to win. Also, down below, you can check for links to all our social media sites. We're on Facebook, Instagram, our Etsy shop, and our blog, so you can find a lot more inspiration there. Many projects that I create do not make it onto YouTube, so there is a whole lot more to be seen from Polly's Paper Studio if you check the links in the description. I'm wishing everyone a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!